How to find Reels history on Facebook. So with Facebook, there's two ways you can do this. It's very simple to do. So the first way is through the Facebook settings. So go to your Facebook and go to the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. And what you want to do is just go to your settings and privacy and then go to your settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you find where it says activity log. And you want to stay at the very top where it says your Facebook activity. And your reels or videos that you've watched are hidden under your posts. So go ahead to the drop-down menu on post, and then go ahead and click see more, and then you'll find it where it says videos you watched. So this will give you the reels that you've watched, but for some reason Facebook is a little glitchy. It doesn't show you every single reel that you've watched, but if you forget to do this step, there is another way that you can go and find them. So come out of here and we'll just go back to the regular page. Go ahead and hit home. What you can do is just go to the Reels page. So go to the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. You may have the Reels option on the bottom of your Facebook page, but if you don't, just go to the menu and then you'll find Reels here. Go ahead and click that. And then from here, go ahead and click the search icon at the top right-hand corner, and you'll see an option here that says Reels you've watched, see all. And this will show you the Reels that you currently watch. Unfortunately, still, Facebook does not, for some reason, show you every single reel that you've watched, but this shows you two ways to find them, and that's it.